Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Now I'm going to present my portfolio and personal background. My name is Rifai Hussein Ahmad, and this is me. So if you want to check my portfolio and about me, you can access by using my website uh, rifaihusnian.my.id. And uh, I'm a software engineer student at IDN Board School and a junior graphic designer. And a little about me, software engineer and graphic designer, focus on creating modern uh, initiative and meaningful digital solution. And I have also CV, and so if you want to check my CV, you can go to my website and download or see my CV by this button. So about me, I like bridging the gap between code and design. Yeah. So I focus on developing modern, innovative, and meaningful digital solution with a combination of uh, expertise in technology, design, and artificial intelligence. I create product that are not only not only technically not only technically robust but also comfortable to use and visually appealing. And my experience, yeah, I have uh, 3 years experience, yeah, collab 3 years experience and uh, 20 project complete. And the technical toolkit that I have mastering, there are Figma, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and others. You can check in my portfolio website. And for soft skill in public speaking, I have an experience to be a speaker and for public speaker at my school. So maybe in public speaking, uh, I can speak uh, as well. And in communication, I can communicate to many people uh, greatly and with uh, not okay teamwork. So and teamwork, I'm enjoyer when I do my project with the team, and so it don't feel like hard. And in leadership, I learn when I uh, be a leader. I must be a good leader, not bad leader. Soft skill. And for hard skill for programming, I cannot describe my skills. So maybe this is the data programming. For programming, I can make a project or make a full stack web using PHP and Laravel framework. And for graphic design, uh, 90% with the Figma or Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Canva, Affinity, and others. And for video editing, I have an experience be a video editor, and I use Figma, CapCut, and Adobe Premiere Pro for edit editing. And for educational background, for junior high school, I was on Muhammadiyah Satu Klaten, Central Java, and now I'm study at SMK IDN Barisngu Solo as a software engineer student for the address IDN Boarding School in Kundang Legi, Marquesa, Kabupaten Karanganyar, Central Java. And for my experience, I have many experience, but maybe now I will show you the project that I find interesting. So maybe here there is IT trainer at SMA Negeri 1 Klaten on April 2025, and you can check the detail in my portfolio. So this is the documentation of the my experience to be IT trainer, and I talk about uh, basic programming web with uh, HTML and CSS, and not only for IT trainer for student, but I have ever be a IT trainer at university, Ahmad Dahlan University in Yogyakarta, and I talk about AI generative for productivity, multimedia, and education. And I talk to master college student or S2. And for graphic designer or a graphic design, I have also experience in PT Krisna Kalindo Utama in Bekasi, West Java. So I make the UI and the front end of the web, and modification their logo. And this is the documentation here. And for public uh, public speaker or speaker, ya, I have an experience in Malaysia to be a speaker, and I talk about this uh, what about uh, uh, innovative solution relate to uh, apa sih itu bahasa sih next I have an experience be a speaker at Malaya University, and I talk about uh, SDGs uh, for education and for health. And this is the documentation. You can check in my portfolio web. And also for volunteer, I have ever be a volunteer on the SD Sungai Buloh in Selangor. So yeah, I talk about traditional culture in Indonesia, uh, such as uh, a game, fashion, dance, music, and others. And not only it. So and I talk about batik fashion from Indonesia, like this. And for last my last experience is be a graphic designer at Pengadilan Negeri Mataram, Kota Mataram, NTB. So uh, basically I made a template design for their social media. Udah berapa menit? Hah? Lah, lah projectnya belum. Okay, for project, yeah, I have many project. like microblog, advertising poster, or web application, and maybe some web, but am not at in this web. But if you want to check my detail from my portfolio, you can check in my website ya, rifegusnian.my.id. And this is my biggest challenge. So my biggest challenge uh, was in the IDN Menyapa Nusantara program. Yeah, basically the task was to earn money on the island of Lombok without any connection or pocket money. So how could I earn money for my return trip, my tickets, and food? And the way I finally overcame this way this was by getting to know the locals in a friendly manner until I finally got a job and was given a place to live. And yeah, the lesson I learned wherever I am is that it is not money that can save us, but the way we speak and our attitude. And for career goal, I want to become a skilled and uh, my graphic designer and skills develop like Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Canva, Affinity, or something else. And for contribution, I must be able to follow the rules that that I or others make when I work. And want to the certificate, uh, you can check to my website. List there are many such as programming web, uh, basic Dart, international, or volunteer and course about my course. And if you want to contact me, you can check in my portfolio and go to hire me or contact me and let's work together. Okay, maybe that's all from me. If there are any mistakes, I apologize and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.